So this is March 10th, and this is our first official day of coronavirus prep. Coronavirus hit Michigan where we live, and we have nothing in our house, so we are about to go to Target to load up on everything we might need in the apocalypse. What do we need?
Paper towels, cleaner, toilet paper, canned foods, water. What else do we need? Oh, Atlas said we need popsicles.
Blueberry popsicles, rocket popsicles, chips.
Chips are good.
Chips? Yeah. B, what do you need in the coronavirus apocalypse? Ice cream sandwiches. Okay, so we're off. Wait, Alice needs to say something before we go.
Sonic is real. Hunt for him, please. Give him to me.
Sonic is real. Everyone hunt for Sonic. Give Sonic to Atlas. Coronavirus prep 2020. Crust is up there. She's gonna decide if she's getting a cart or not. I think she's going to. Wait, are you getting a cart? We need one. Then you push them and I'll touch the cart. Whoa! Empty soap aisle. Did you guys hear that lady sneeze? I don't know if we saw it or not. Some lady just sneezed. I'm not going that way. There's like a black cat went through the aisle. I'm gonna go around.
Is it okay if I pick my nose?
No, you cannot pick your nose. I don't want to walk through that lady's sneeze trail. Whoa. This is the toilet paper aisle. There is no toilet paper. I don't know what was there, but it's gone. Cleaning products, lots of them gone. Yeah, we walked all the way around the aisle because somebody sneezed. We didn't want to walk through her sneeze spray.
Gross.
So there's no toilet paper?
None. This is absolutely absurd.
This is crazy. Empty aisles.
I need to eat a rocket popsicle. I need to.
Atlas's priorities are better than everyone else's priorities. Everyone's like, oh my god, I need a cleaner, I need toilet paper, I need paper towels. Atlas just wants what?
Rocket popsicle.
The hardest part of checking out during the apocalypse is figuring out how to pay while touching the least amount of things while then quickly sanitizing. This finger is now toxic. It's more toxic. No cash back, cash is toxic. I can't use this finger.
Remember to grab your receipt.
Okay, now I have to figure out how to gymnastics my card into my jacket. They're making fun of me. But I don't care. Alright, we're out of here. Looks like a lot of the chips are gone. People need chips in the apocalypse.
Yeah, shit. People need shit.
What else do you think is going to be gone, Atlas?
Oreos.
Whoa, canned food is almost all gone. Hey, the canned stuff is almost all gone. There's like nothing canned. There's like one garbanzo bean.
Paper is gone.
I don't know if anyone's aware of this, but Whole Foods toilet paper is not very comfortable at all. And it's gone. People bought it. They are crazy. People are losing it.
We'll buy it at different times.
Healthy.
Yeah.
B is very concerned with her health. Sauce?
Yeah.
Should we have like a cart or something? Wait, shouldn't we have a cart? Hey, should I go get a cart? I can't hold all this stuff. We need a cart. They said when we were checking out that people are panic buying, that it was like the day before Thanksgiving here, and that it was crazy, but we're out of here.
Let's film in the house.
Atlas wants to film in the house. Hey, what are you guys doing while we're on quarantine?
We just eating chips and watching TV.
Yeah? What kind of chips?
Those.
That sounds good. We got some drawing action going down. This
Is me, most of the time, all natural. And then this is me with coronavirus.
So now you admit that your natural cleaners don't work and you have to use real stuff?
No, they actually do work. I'm just like, I don't know. I just feel...
They don't work.
No, these don't work. These will still be used. These are just in case.
It's day 2. Apocalypse supply shopping. It's kind of crazy. There were no carts. I got the last cart. Literally. Here's an empty aisle. And it is toilet paper. This is where you find out where people's priorities lie. I just saw a guy with a crazy amount of cheese puffs. Frozen stuff's pretty well in stock. Not as bad as I might have thought. A couple items are out, but not a big deal. I think that maybe I'm overdoing it. I've got the gloves on over here. Everybody's looking at me like I'm a freak. You can see Kai in the background. She's also got her mask and gloves on. Right there. So there are lots of apocalypse problems they don't tell you about. One is that if you have a beard, it will pull your mask down. It's very uncomfortable. I have to keep going like this, and then I'm like, wait, if I'm touching my mask, aren't I exposing myself? And then I'm like, wait, am I crazy? Am I completely losing my mind? Because that's the way everyone's looking at me. Some little kid's making fun of me too. And I see some lady laughing at me, but I don't care. Bro, the pasta is all gone. Except the only kind I actually need. Major problem, major. No decent mac and cheese. Only vegan mac and cheese is left. Did you find some buried down there? This is crazy. They're going to have to. I was excited when we got here because there wasn't really anybody at the store, and I realized there's nobody here because there's no food. This is day 6 of quarantine shopping. I think day 6, maybe more than that. Going into Whole Foods, grab some most needed supplies, go to a bunch of stores today. I've upped my game and I have these glasses now, so hopefully I look cool. It's actually a way better situation at the Whole Foods today. They have pretty much everything. They're limiting the amount of things you can purchase, like 2 eggs, 8 box foods, 8 soups, but it's like, basically the limit is the normal amount I would get anyway. So, as you can see, the shelves are pretty full. I'm out for my last couple runs of the day, looking like a total crazy person. And I'm just going in, grabbing some things and getting out. Target this time. So for the last week, it seems like we thought we'd never see bleach in the store again. But guess what? Target has a ton. So it seems like although most things are back, the great toilet paper shortage of 2020 continues. My mom said they're all out of Tide where she lives, which is about an hour and a half away, but doesn't look like a problem here, so I'm gonna hook her up. So with the exception of bread, toilet paper, and paper towels, pretty much business as usual at Target today on day 6 of supposed self-quarantine. Day 8 of quarantine. This is my most fashionable quarantine look yet. I went to Whole Foods. It's kind of nuts, so I didn't vlog, but they had basically everything in stock, which is kind of crazy. Now I'm at Fresh Time Market, where they also have everything. You go to one grocery store, and people are acting crazy, and it seems like there's nothing on the shelves, or there's some things missing. And you come to another grocery store, it's a normal amount of people are acting normal. So this definitely the best grocery shopping look that I've had yet. This is the first I've experienced this. There's actually a line to get into Whole Foods, which is kind of crazy. But I guess good. They're limiting the number of people in the store, it seems. I'm now at the front of the line. This means I get to go in. I've never been so excited to go into a grocery store.